Your grandmother could open pickle jars with her bare hands at 82. Margaret Rodriguez did exactly that, until one morning she couldn't. Not because she was sick or injured, her muscles had quietly vanished while she slept. 3 months later, she discovered 5 common fruits that brought her pickle jar strength back. The third one grows in your backyard. In this video, I'm revealing 5 powerful fruits that stop muscle loss before it steals your independence. One works overnight to repair damage. Another contains a compound scientists call exercise in a fruit. And the last one, you've thrown away the most important part for years. Have you noticed tasks getting harder lately? Type yes. If simple things take more effort now, type no if you're still as strong as ever. Here's what science knows. After 60, you lose up to 1% of muscle every year. But a 2023 Journal of Nutrition study following 1,200 seniors found those eating specific fruits kept 71% more muscle strength over 5 years. That's thousands of people staying independent instead of needing help. Hit subscribe to Inspired Living. Turn on the bell. Next, you'll discover which fruit part you've been wasting that could save your muscles. Imagine 12 weeks from now. You carry grandkids without worry. You open jars without asking for help. You trust your body again. These fruits have transformed thousands of lives. Let me show you Margaret's exact system, starting with the creamy fruit that doesn't just feed you, it protects your muscles while you move. First, avocado, the muscle protector most people eat wrong. Charles Williams thought his morning walks were getting harder because of his knees. At 71, every step felt like work. Then his daughter noticed something. His legs looked thinner. His muscles were disappearing. A 2022 American Journal study tracked 850 seniors eating avocados daily. Those who ate half an avocado with breakfast had 40% less muscle inflammation. Avocados don't just provide calories, they deliver special fats that wrap around muscle cells like armor. Eat half an avocado daily with eggs or on toast. The fat helps your body absorb muscle-saving vitamins. Charles added avocado to breakfast. 6 weeks later, I walked 2 miles without thinking about it. Fatal mistake. Eating avocado alone. Always pair with protein for maximum muscle protection. Second, tart cherry, nature's nighttime muscle repair crew. Eleanor Jackson couldn't sleep through the pain. Every night her legs ached from simple daily activities. At 68, she thought this was normal aging. She was wrong. Oregon Health University studied 600 older adults drinking tart cherry juice. Those who drank 8 ounces before bed had 50% less muscle soreness and slept 84 minutes longer. Tart cherries contain compounds that work like tiny construction crews, fixing muscle damage while you sleep. Drink 8 ounces of pure tart cherry juice 30 minutes before bed. No added sugar. It blocks the benefits. Eleanor started this ritual. 2 weeks later, she woke up pain-free for the first time in years. Third, pomegranate, the fruit that acts like young blood. Robert Chen watched his garden grow wild. At 74, he couldn't work in it anymore. His muscles tired too fast. His doctor said it was poor circulation. The solution was in his kitchen. Scientists at UCLA studied pomegranate's effect on aging muscles. It boosts something called nitric oxide, which opens blood vessels like turning on a faucet. More blood means more oxygen to hungry muscles. Drink 4 ounces of pure pomegranate juice or eat the seeds daily. Robert chose seeds on his morning oatmeal. 8 weeks later, he pruned his roses for 3 hours straight. Type strength. If you want muscles that last longer without tiring, here's something that will shock you. The next fruit's power isn't in the flesh. Fourth, prunes trigger your body's muscle-building hormone. Barbara Martinez felt embarrassed buying prunes. At 70, she thought they were just for digestion. Then she learned they contain compounds that wake up sleeping muscle-building hormones. Stanford researchers found prunes activate IGF-1, your body's muscle growth signal. Just 5 prunes daily increased muscle cell size in study participants. Barbara ate them with breakfast almonds. 10 weeks later, she carried her groceries in one trip again. Big bonus, prunes also strengthen bones. Strong bones plus strong muscles equals confident movement. 5th, apple. But you must eat the part most throw away. James Thompson peeled every apple for 40 years. At 76, he learned he'd been throwing away the muscle medicine. Apple peels contain ursolic acid, a compound that tells muscles to grow instead of shrink. University of Iowa proved apple peel compounds increased muscle mass even in inactive seniors. The catch? You must eat the peel where the magic lives. Eat 1 whole apple daily with the peel. Choose organic to avoid chemicals. Wash well and enjoy. James started eating whole apples. His physical therapist noticed. Your legs got stronger without extra exercise. Remember Margaret, who couldn't open jars? She added avocado to breakfast, drank cherry juice at night, snacked on pomegranate seeds, included 5 prunes with lunch, and 8 whole apples. 12 weeks later, she opened a pickle jar at her granddaughter's birthday party. Everyone cheered. Your 12-week plan, weeks 1 through 3, add avocado and cherries. Weeks 4 to 6 include pomegranate. Weeks 7 to 9, add prunes. Weeks 10 to 12, whole apples daily. Build slowly for lasting strength. Which fruit will you try first? Comment below. 12 weeks from now, you could be the one opening jars, lifting grandkids, gardening without limits. That strength isn't in expensive treatments. It's at your grocery store. Hit like to help others over 60 save their muscles. Subscribe to Inspired Living for next week's video on the morning smoothie that doubles muscle recovery. Save this list. Share with someone whose weakness is limiting their life. Type ready if you're starting with tomorrow's breakfast. Talk to your doctor before major diet changes, especially with diabetes or kidney issues. Results vary based on consistency and overall health. Every meal you choose to feed or starve your muscles. Tomorrow's fruit could restore your strength.